Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative. Sorry about my voice, just woke up. I'm trying to get this video done. We have our monthly challenge. It was the mixed media collab that we're doing every month with the 757 and crew. And so that's really the wonderful ladies that inspire me every week that I craft with over Zoom on Fridays and Saturdays. We have a ball just talking trash, and whoever can come can come. And we eat and we create and we critique and we come up with ideas and stuff, so it's fun. So we had came up with this collab earlier in the year, beginning of the year, or in the last year, one of them, and every last Sunday of the month for the whole month of 2021, we were to create a mixed media project. We came up with the topics and we had them all laid out for the whole entire year. This month was a paint stir. And so any kind of mixed media that you want to do on a paint stir. So I have all of the wonderful collaborators below. Please go like their channels and subscribe. I guarantee you will be impressed. Alright, so we've got Susan from Susie Q Crafted 321. We got Lisa from Miss Loves Graphic. We've got Sheba from Sheba Creates. We've got Leah from TLC Crafts. And then we have Donna, who just has the Instagram, which is Donna underscore. Oh my God, I just forgot Donna's name. Underscore G, I think, whatever it is. I'm sorry, I apologize. It's early in the morning, I was forgetting something. But anyway, I have everyone's link below. Please go to the channel and check it out. I guarantee it may inspire you to do something you hadn't done before. Or, again, you hadn't seen these done in years, probably, since they've done collabs with this one. But anyway, I decided to use my white gesso, but then I decided to put on my black gesso, which was by Liquitex, because I wanted to see how that worked. And, yeah, I mean, it's a primer just like any other one, but I just wanted to use the black version of it, and I did on my stick. I got this free courtesy of Lowe's. She gave me a couple of them, so I already know what I'm going to do on the second one. I did the white, but the white didn't cover it as well. It was still, you could still see the Lowe's symbol and stuff through it. And I did a couple coats, so that's why I decided that I wanted to do a completely black and see. That's some white paint got on it. I had a different idea. I had cut out some letters for my channel. So I think I'm going to go back and do this one with that one. You can't see it, but it's my initial right there. But then, my sister, because I called her, I was like, I can't think what to do. And, you know, she majored in art, so she was like, oh, neoplasticism, Pierre Laundry. And I was like, oh, that's so much work. And then my daughter, who never really agrees with my sister, said, yeah, I think it's a good idea. So that's the format I use. So I know I could freestyle it, so I decided to. I wasn't going to paint it. I don't have like the quality brushes that she has, because I know some of my brushes sometimes leave hair in it. So I wasn't going to do that. So I decided to use my paint markers. And so I just got the gold. These, they weren't all in the same point that I wanted them in, but I ended up getting some of these. So I have the fine in gold black, and then I have the ultra fine in white black. Excuse me, gold and red. And that's what they had at Walmart. I did start, was going to use my Delusions and open up my red, which was really, first time I used it, it's really, really juicy and it kind of bled. And I'll show you that. I was going to paint it over with, but I'm going to show you what I did the first time. And I know I sound like a man. I apologize. It's early. And now I'm sleeping late. But I used one of my TCW stencils by Rhonda Palazar. It doesn't say the name of it, because my sister was asking me the name of it. But it does have the number on the bottom, which is, just in case. This is a nice stencil. It's a 6x6, but I also look at it as being something that can be used for inchies, because, I don't know if I kind of had it, and make sure it's actually an inch. Oh yeah. Yep. So you can use this to make some inchies. And I think I'm going to do that one day to make some inchies out of these and cut them up. Boom, boom, boom. Maybe it'll be sooner than later. Anyway, so this is designed. The number for this is, okay, here it is. It is TCW 503S. if you're interested. So So you got your little 20 different squares. They repeat. But nice that you can make some designs on it. And I'm going to make some inches out of that. So that was my pattern. I'm sure you can figure out where I'm going with them. And if you've never seen neoplasticism or, excuse me, any of these beads from the Dollar Tree, or we haven't seen Pierre Mondrian, basically he does geometric shapes. And these are squares, but more like rectangular shapes with primary colors. Black is always like the boundary around the abstract art. And it's usually red and blue and yellow. But you know me, I wasn't going to add in the blue and the yellow. I stick to my colors that I like. And I will show you what I did. Very simple, but I think it's very effective. So I don't know if it's going to be able to see it all in this view. But this is my mistake first. And so the first pen that I used, my delusion, I opened up for the first time ever, and it was a little bit too juicy. And it's just bland. But you get the idea. So I just went and got some of the paint markers and went over them. They still weren't perfect, but that's okay. That gives it depth and character. That way you can't necessarily tell that was all stencil. Maybe you think it was freehand, haha. But anyway, I put the beads on both sides. And again, I'm going to go paint this over black. But this is how it looks. Very abstract. Kind of looking in my colors. And I'm going to hang this vertically. And so that's what I did. And like I said, my letters, because they were, I had different colors, black or red, and then we was going to put it in, maybe gloss on it, but I was like, don't cover up the print, so that's why I didn't put that up there. I'm going to do this on this one, and make a different one over there. I did get two of these, but I thought it came out cute, and this will match the decor of my room. It's very simple, but effective. Not too, somewhat time consuming, and because you let the color paints dry and try not to let them bleed through, which they do sometimes. And yeah, I just try to go back over it. And I just put a couple little beads down. So that's basically what I did for my stick. And again, I wanted it to be user friendly for my room and my style. So I just made it abstract and, you know, a nod to Pierre Mondrian or neoplasticism, although this is probably not technically so because it's not all the rectangular shapes, but you get the idea about the patterns. And it's sort of kind of travel. That's what my sister was like, oh, she was thinking like a total pole, something travel. But anyway, that's what I did in my favorite colors. Just didn't add any silver on it, but thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing. Hopefully you've been inspired, and I want you to check out the other ladies and see what they created. And of course, I have pictures on my Instagram, DaretoBeCreative1. And you guys have a wonderful day. And my birthday is tomorrow, so I'm in a good mood. So thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.